A very good o'clock to all the students. Here I am Amisha ma'am, your English grammar teacher. Students, today I am here to start our last chapter of T1 test unit 1, that is chapter number 6, strong and weak verbs. Yesterday we have completed non-finite forms of verbs. Hope so that is must clear to you. Now I am going to start about strong and weak verbs. See, verbs are being categorized or divided into two kinds or two categories, that is strong verbs and weak verbs. So, strong verbs, or you can say irregular verbs, that is the verbs which are forming the past tense by a vowel change. That means if there is in present tense the verb is given and we are changing its vowel only and forming its past, then that verbs are called strong verbs. How? You could see here in present it is written as break. BREAK. Here vowel is A. We have changed that vowel from the present tense to the past by adding O. So it becomes broke. Okay. Then past participle you could say, or third form you could say, it is broken. Yeah. Right. Now let's consider about weak verbs. Verbs forming the past tense or past participle by adding ed, d, t to the present are called weak verbs. So what are weak verbs? Those verbs which are given in present tense and we are changing them by adding ed in the last, d in the last, t in the last to form its past tense or past participle. Then such verbs are called, students, weak verbs. Okay, like here you could see act, act. It is a verb given in present. We have added ed to it and it becomes in past and past participle it became acted. Similarly, smell, to smell we have removed one smell l from the present and add t to it to becomes it, so that it becomes smelt for the past and past participle, and hence it is a weak verb. Note what is given, that there are some verbs which do not have any change in the past tense and past participle. These verbs are also called weak verbs. See, do remember that there are few verbs which doesn't have any change in their past tense or past participle, but then also they are considered to be the weak verbs. How? Here you could see in present we should say that bet, bet. Bet in past becomes bet and in past participle also becomes bet. Similarly, cut, cut becomes cut in past and cut remains same in past participle as well. Now some strong verbs is also given. Abide changed to abode. I is a vowel here which we have replaced by adding O to it in the past and past participle. So go through it. Here also you could see some present, past and past participle. Past participle you can also say the third form as well, students. Okay. And present is your first form, past is your second form. Now similarly, just note in this here it is given that these days the past participles bounded, drunken, hidden, gotten, sticken, sunken, shrunk, used as verbal adjectives. Yesterday also I have told you verbal adjectives are what? Which are being function as both categories, as a verb as well and as an adjective as well. Here some sentences are given. What are they? The sunken ship has been raised. Which type of ship? Sunken. Sunken is here working as an adjective as well. How? Ship is our noun and the one which is being qualifying our noun is known as adjective. So which type of ship here is being talked as? Sunken ship. Okay. Here some weak verbs are also given. Accept changes into accepted. Okay, just go through them as well from the textbook. Here many are given. Just read it, students. Okay. There are some verbs which are having same form in the past and past participle which I have talked right yet. What are those verbs? Just go through them, and hence our chapter is over. So go through this video. It is very easy to understand the chapter. Just go through from the textbook as well. Thank you, students. Do watch the video completely.